Alright, hello. My name's TurtlePlays. It's been a little while since I posted. I'm sorry for that. I took a little break for schoolwork and that stuff, but I'm back, and today we're going to be making Ghostface from the movie Scream. This is just the mask. You will have to do a little bit of voice acting to get the correct thing. I'm not the best at it, but I think I did okay. So enjoy the tutorial. Quick and easy, not too hard. Alright, this is a decently easy one. You're going to need your resonator, your distortion, your reverb, high pass, and low pass. Just nice simple 5. And for the start, for the resonator, you're going to need a mix of 51, time 0, feedback 0, volume 21. And next, for distortion, you're going to need a mix of 19, a drive of 0, and volume of 31. And for the next one, reverb, you'll need a mix of 2, room size 0. I mean, if you want to have a little bit of an echo, you can make a bigger room size, but for our needs, it's just 0. High pass, mix 100% all the way. Frequency 99, just about there. Just about there. Not quite. And finally, low pass, mix of 100, frequency of 31. Nice, simple one today. Sounds pretty good in my opinion. Again, you will need a bit of voice acting to kind of get the actual guy's voice down, but this will get most of it from the phone calls and that kind of stuff. Like, what's your favorite kind of scary movie? This will get the mask in most of it. But yeah, I'll give you a little demonstration right now.
When you're friends with Sid, you die. If you want to be in the hospital, I'd be happy to put you in there. Don't forget to set the alarm. Never say who's there. Don't you watch scary movies? You hang up on me again? I'll gut you like a fish. I never said I was in your closet. What's your favorite scary movie? Hello, Sydney. Now that's just a small demonstration of the voices you can do as the Scream Mask. If you want to go trolling people, go ahead. If you want to change the sounds, go ahead. But remember, don't hang up.
Well, there you go. That's the Ghostface mask from Scream. Really short video today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, if you liked the video, give it a like. If you didn't like the video, give it a dislike. If you want to see more content from me, don't forget you can subscribe and hit that little bell. You'll get notified. If not, oh well. I tried. Have a great rest of your morning, afternoon, or night. Goodbye. Is it too